YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I do believe they are on Amazon. You can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. And if it's a website link, their link will be down below. So check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. This is coming from VTOMAN. Got lithium batteries, so we shall see. Ion. Here we go. Alrighty guys, look at this thing. VTOMAN FlashSpeed 600. Super safe life BMS power station. This is going to be the thing you guys going to need in case stuff goes crazier in the world. This will help us out. So definitely might want to consider something like this now. Especially, like I said, how the world is going. You never know. But at least you have some kind of power. Get a good backup going. Perfect for your RVs, summer camping, wherever you want to take this thing with you. We'll see how this thing works. If I can get the sticker off. Okay. Couple more, we're good to go. Alright. There we go. So, yeah, definitely check them out. VTOMAN. They have everything you need. So, definitely good for emergency situations like power outage. Definitely ain't gonna have to worry about that. But this thing. Fully charge your phones, your tablets. Whoops. Sorry about that. We got some stickers. Oh, baby. Alright, let me pause. Alright, guys, look at this thing. She is a beauty. You can even charge your car. Look at that. Got a battery spot. Getting jumper cables. If I can open it, hold on. There we go. See, jumper cables go there. Then we got an AC input, DC input, solar. Oh, even solar. So they might have solar panels you could buy also. Might want to check that out. Got your USB ports down there. Got your extra power, so you can run pretty much everything: microwave, air fryer, griddle. Got the stickers, VTOMAN. So yeah, definitely guys, check them out. We're gonna test this out. See here, here is the car adapter, cigarette lighter. Put that in that SUVs, RVs. There's an extra power cord, standard one. You go hook up a video game system, watch some movies, whatnot. Either or, another USB. Charge your phone, your tablets. Many more. Look at these stickers. VTOMAN. Oh yeah, look at that. See? Travel to the woods. You never know. Hopefully nothing bad, crazy happens to our power grids or anything like that. Hopefully it's going to be a normal next 40 years of my life. Hopefully. But, like I said, they got your back. So anything you need for that situation, they have it. So click the link down below. We got a storage component up here. Maybe you can put your keys, your phone. I would say pagers, but maybe a ham radio. You can also have that charging up in there. It's not too heavy, so you should be good to go. Be a nice little gift to give somebody. But you can store a lot of stuff in there. And then, where is the juice? And over here, some kind of fan or something. Back here is an LED light. That's really nice. Whoa, whoa. It's bright. Look at this. Also SOS. Wow. Yeah, super bright. Then it goes to SOS mode. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, sorry about that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Don't want to blind you guys too much, but gotta show you guys what this thing does. Here we go. Some kind of fill. Oh, it's already 82%. Right there. Got those. Oh, you got AC. You hook that up. 8 hours. 25. Oh, I knows the difference already. So you got the DC plug to light up. USB is on. Right there. AC. You got the fast charge right there. USB-C 100 watts. Up top here. So yeah, I mean, pretty much that's it to show you guys. You can see it's running. 25.1 hours. And you can always charge it up too. So you should be good to go. Like I said, if you have the solar, you can use the solar to charge. But yeah, very nice. Nice indeed. So all you gotta do is click the link down below. Check out the deals they got going on now. Prime Day is still going. So there we go. So you just pop that in there. Like so. Like that. Bada boom. And then you got extra thingy. Like I said, maybe for a CB radio. A ham radio. You never know. I think it shows up on the light too. That it's activated. But see. That's really bright. Definitely somebody will notice that if you're stranded. Well, YouTube, hopefully you guys are safe. Take it easy out there. And see you guys in the next video. That's about it for today.